How to delete account on Viber for Android. Viber is an application available for smartphones and desktop that allows you to send text messages and make calls to other people who use Viber. If you are one of them, I will show you how to deactivate your Viber account. To deactivate the account on Viber for Android, open the application. Tap on More button. Tap on Settings. Tap Account. Tap the Deactivate Account button. Write your number and tap the Deactivate Account. Please be careful. Deactivating your account will delete all of your data, including in-app purchases, items, and credit, and disconnect Viber for all devices. Tap Deactivate. Tap Deactivate. Your account has been deleted on Viber. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.